how to create NFT collection with one click. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, you have to go and write down on your browser mintable.club. This is where you can get your club presentation and all the things, all other things. Now over here you have to go on your project option. As you click on your project, then there will be all kind of projects over here. Now there is an untitled project. You have to click on edit it. As you click on edit, there will this kind of page will come here. Now in this kind of page you have to click on group option, and you can name your group whatever you want. As you click enter, it will come over here. As you click on this group, then you have to go on layers. As you go on layers, then you have to write down a layer. As you write down a layer, then it will take some time to show the layer over here. As it doesn't shows up, then you have to write it again. Now this layer is showing up. Now you have to go on your desktop and you have to take the image that you want to, or your NFT that you want to get multiple NFTs. You have to drop it over here, and then you have to click on generate image down below. Click on that, and after clicking on that, you can select the number that you can make. I am just saying I am creating 10, and then you have to click on generate. As I click on generate, this is the image that he has fetched for the number 1, and then it can make the thousands of copies that you want. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.